Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to start painting some pieces and continuing on with the 2022 Rollout Camaro. So originally I was going to build this the way I usually build all my NASCAR models, and I would do the chassis all together, the roll cage assembly, and not glue it onto the chassis pan, and once I had everything painted I was going to put it on there. That's not going to quite work because of how I'm having an issue with the left hand side of the front roll bar. So, because I don't want to paint myself in a box where I can't get it in after everything is all together, so I'm going to have to do it in a step. So I have to do it a little bit differently than I planned on it. Maybe next time it'll work out to where I can do it how I want to do it. But that being said, I'm going to paint all this assembly here. I'm going to paint the two pieces for the front. This kind of roll bar piece here that goes around the engine. Everything I've left on this tree here. And everything I left on this one here. And as I said last time, the color I'm going to use for that is Model Car World a Colonial White. It's a 1957 Ford color if you want to use it. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it should be close enough, or it's going to be good enough for what I'm going to use it for anyway. So I will be right back. Alright, here to give you an update. As you can see, I got the front roll bars on and the engine in. I will show you this though. The thing is crooked. So, if you get a kit and it's got the firewall messed up, I would recommend getting in contact with Jim at Salvinos and getting a replacement part for it if you can. Because it throws everything off when it's not molded all correctly. And if you go back and look at the video before this, you'll know what I'm talking about. It was almost split all the way in half, so it just threw the angle of it off completely. So anyways, I'm living with it, making it work. I'll just have to clamp the shit out of it, putting it on the chassis pan to make it work. So not a big deal. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to paint some headers to get them in there, and we're going to keep rolling right along. I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the engine glued in, we got the headers glued in. Now it's time for the rack and pinion steering. The chassis is glued to the bottom of the pan. I don't know, hopefully this is all going to turn out okay. We'll see. I still think it's a little bit tweaked, so. Alright, let me get this in here. I think I'm going to stop there for this video. Next time we'll be going through, starting on step 8. We'll probably get through, I would say at least through step 11 next video. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time.